Welcome. Question 4, another important question. Those who want, make a note. In the beginning, what I am doing is I am doing series of lengthy questions. See, not very easy questions. All easy questions will come later. Sometimes people will do easy question. It is no use for you. See, learning means everything you have to learn. See, this is the question. Question 4. Write here something. You should write. Using method of joint, find axial forces in all the members for the given pin jointed frame. Okay. Copy the question. See, first copy the question. Okay. First step what? I told right from beginning of my course. If a question is given by sketch, you should not write anything in this question. Copy and leave it, so that you can make out everything is calculated. Okay, now, question copied. Next, immediately make a note. See, now onwards I will start dictating note. First step is to find support reactions. I told if required. I already told earlier. If one hinged support and one roller support, see this earlier all, your hinge roller to be like this. Now it is vertical. So what? If one hinged support is there, other roller support is there, vertical reactions are required. I told. By chance, if they give both hinged support, this member they will not give. There is a reason for it. That will worry later. Even if they give I can solve, the force in that member is zero. But you are not engineering mechanics. You are not supposed to know all those things. It is because of displacements. So engineering mechanics, they can't ask that way. So if one hinge, one roller means reactions required. So first step, calculation of support reactions. Okay, start now. See, I will dictate here. You should write not A. Support A is hinged support. You know, you write hinged support has horizontal reaction and vertical reaction. So let VA be the vertical reaction. We will assume it to be upward. HA be the horizontal reaction. We will assume it to right side. Okay. B the reactions at the hinged support at A. Write correctly. Then support B is on roller. For a roller support, reaction is RB, perpendicular to the plane of the roller. So since the roller is vertical plane, reaction is horizontal now, HB, we will assume to right side. Write these two statements. Okay. Then, class. Now we have to draw one more sketch showing all these reactions. Then we will apply equilibrium conditions and find reactions. But before that, there are, see, two inclined forces here. One 15 kN this way, one 18 kN this way. See, actually this way nobody will give. Okay, no problem. It is given in the question. Okay, now, see, remaining loads of forces are vertical. Nothing to worry. So, class, that 15 kN load acting at E and 18 kN load acting at G, we are going to resolve it. Okay, start one by one. Right here. Consider, you should see, those who are serious should write everything I am dictating. Consider 15 kilonewton force or force at the joint E. It is like this. See, 15. See, usually in the question paper, they will give angle. But this time, they are not given angle. They told this way, see, this way. Means they are giving slope. For 2.5 vertical, see, they are given in the question. 2.5 vertical, 1.5 horizontal. But whatever they give, what we want? We want the angle made by the force with the nearest horizontal. Let it be alpha 1. Now, if this is alpha 1, right here, this also is alpha 1. Why? High school mathematics. So, tan alpha 1 equal to 2.5 by 1.5, you will get alpha 1, 59.036 degrees. Now, this force equal to, see here correctly, resolution now. First of all, I should not tell, see, if the force is going this way, horizontal component is cos this way, vertical is sine this way. So, horizontal component this way of 15 cos 59.036. I wrote cos alpha 1. You substitute alpha 1 this angle. 7.717. Vertically 15 sin alpha 1. You know the value of alpha 1. Substitute 12.862 Newton. Okay, then next force is 18 kN like this at G. Here also they told, see, 2 vertical through 3 horizontal. See here. 2 vertical. This, let this angle, this side angle, alpha 2. If that is alpha 2, see, this also alpha 2 with horizontal, alpha 2. So, tan alpha 2 equal to 2 divided by 3. You get alpha 2, 33.69 degrees. Once you get the angle alpha 2, next is resolution. See, force going this way. Horizontal component this side, vertical component this side. Since you took the angle with horizontal, this is cos, this is sin. So, 18 cos alpha 2, substitute alpha 2 equal 33.69, you will get the answer. 18 sin alpha 2, get this answer. Okay. This much clear. Okay, now see what to do. Make a note here. Right? Go for always systematic solution. Okay. Once this is over, right here. Now we will draw one more sketch. See here, I have written here, where we will show all the reactions, mark all distances properly, and these inclined forces, we will replace them by components. Okay, start. See, A, C, D, 20 down, 20 down, 8 down, 8 down, 12 down. See, this 15 kN at E, see here, this one. One vertically downward 12.862. Horizontally right side. Oh, see now what happens is, if you write horizontally right side here, it will overlap on the member. Later problem. So if any force overlap on the member, you draw it outside, mark it outside. Somebody will ask, sir, what to do, sir? If, see, suppose there's a joint here, see this way, in a truss. If they give inclined here, horizontal, how to mark? That other side. Then I will tell you what to do is, you slightly extend the hinge here and show separately outside. That I will show you later. So here, see where space is there, see. If you mark this way, it will overlap with the member. So anyway, direction important for us, see, this way. How much? 7.717 over. This is this force, see, up 9.985. 9.985 and right side of 14.977 kilonewton. Okay. Now this, then we assumed reaction VA to be upward, HA right side. Mark here. VA upward, see, HA right side. Then reaction at roller RB, we took HB to right side. Okay. Assume right side. See, they written name distances along the member, right? Neatly. 3.6 meter, 3.2 meter, 2.75, 2.25. Okay. Now do one thing. Go here. Sigma m0. Now apply basic conditions of static equilibrium. Make a note. This is not method of joint. Method of joint is later when you consider equilibrium of a joint. At that time, not more than 2 unknowns. But this is a coplanar force system. So here, it is coplanar force system. See, method of joint, only sigma h0, sigma v0. But here, sigma m0 also is there. So when you find support reactions, when you consider coplanar force system, sigma m0, sigma v0, sigma h0. Usually when people write statement, they will write sigma h0, sigma v0, sigma m0, but when you apply, it is always better in my class. I told earlier, first apply sigma m equal to 0. Okay. Apply sigma m equal to 0. Sigma m about which point? See, I will tell you here. YA class YA. I already told you, when you take moment about a point, don't take in random points. Take moment about a point where unknowns are there. Here unknowns are at A and B. But take moment about that point where a number of unknowns are more, so that the unknown forces there will be 0 into 0. Therefore, A advantage. So put the finger at A. This all I told earlier. Okay, put the finger at A. Don't remove the finger now. Okay, take moment. Clockwise positive. See here. HB horizontal. Again I will tell you, horizontal force into vertical distance, vertical force into horizontal distance, told thousands of times. So take here. See, when you take moment about A, if you want, you can write VA into 0, HA into 0. Don't write. HB into 3.6. See? Anti-clockwise. Minus HB into 3.6. Start now. 20 into 3.2. Clockwise. Again 8, see 20 into 3.2, see even 8 also into 3.2. Both I wrote clockwise. Then see this 12 into this distance. 3 vertical load into horizontal distance. 3.2 plus 2.75, that is 5.95. So this 12 into 5.95, even 12.862 also into 5.95. Then see 7.717 is passing through A. See here. So if you want, you can write here 7.717 into 0. Actually not required, just for information. See 7.717 into 0. It is not required. Okay, then moment about A. See 9.985 into about A. See this load into this full horizontal distance. 3.2 plus 2.75 plus 2.25, that is 8.2. So minus 9.985 into 8.2, and also see here 14.977 is a horizontal force. See, it is acting this way into this distance is anti-clockwise into 3.6 equal to 0. Take your calculator, minus HB is there. Take other side, high school mathematics. Get HB, positive sign will come. Okay, HB over. Then sigma V equal to 0, take upward positive. Only vertical forces now. Plus VA, minus 20, minus 8, minus 12.862, minus 12, but plus 9.985 equal to 0. Substitute, simplify, you get the value of VA. Lastly, sigma H equal to 0, take right side positive. Plus HA plus HB. Then plus 14.977 plus 7.717 equal to 0. Now you already got HB equal to plus 28.266. So substitute HB equal to plus 28.260. Substitute that value. Take everything that side. Your HA will come minus 50.954. Okay, now I will tell you justification why HB, why VA came upward. I will tell you if you want. See now. See, VA we took up. Those who want to make a note now. Now, see, some note you are right and everything is over. Something I am telling in the class now. See, I am using red color. I will not explain once again, class. Now, everything is over. We are ready for method of joints. So, now we will write a neat sketch. The name for that sketch is star sketch. If anybody will ask, see, today in the comment session, I saw a comment. He commented, what is DTS? I simply answered there, reply. Go through all the classes, you will understand. I told many times what is DTS. That person suddenly came to a class, saw one word called DTS. He wanted me to clarify what is DTS. I have better work to do than clarifying doubts for such people. If he goes through all the classes systematically, DTS I wrote so many times. I think by this time you know what is DTS. Some short form. See, in centroid and moment of inertia, in centroid I used to write Ebelco Eterco. Tomorrow somebody may ask doubt, what is that Abelco? Whose name it is? I cannot use any harsh language. I will only, first of all, I will ignore such people. People, I told what is Abelco, what is Eterco, more than 100 times I told. People are there who come, go through a class, simply see a class, as if suddenly they will see, oh, let me see how this person teaches. Let me see how much he knows. They won't test me. Let them test me if possible. So such people, best thing is to ignore. Otherwise, see, nobody commented anything. Nobody commented what is Abelco, Eterco. So far not a single comment came. Why? Those who are going through, they are serious. Okay, start now. A neat sketch called tar sketch. There, I will enter once again this sketch only. See, this component solve. And before that, one more thing. There, we want angle of inclination for all inclined members. You should write here, see. Now, that is, see, one for it. So, before you go to next sketch for method of joint, you consider, see, now this angle, this angle, this angle, they are not same. But the next one more question, I will give you exercise for you, where all are same. That question is question here, answer here. Very simple question. I will solve very fast that one. Okay. I will give problem with answer. No hint, nothing. Okay. There, all are equal angles. But here, see, different baseline. So, do one thing. Do not write anything here. Here, you mark this angle as theta 1, this angle as theta 2, this angle as theta 3. Now, theta 3. Get theta 1 equal to 48.366 degrees, get theta 2 equal to 52.624 degrees, get theta 3 equal to 57.995 degrees. If anybody will ask, sir, how to get theta 1, sir? Sir, how to get theta 2? How to get theta 3? I will tell you, better not continue my class. You are not fit to study technical part. This subject is not for you, see. I should be harsh. So you correctly calculate, see, this class, I will not waste my time telling how to calculate. First of all, I already wasted time telling how to find alpha 1, alpha 2 and how to find resolution. Support reaction also already over. First of all, I should have written this sketch and star sketch. I should have told everything, you do it, but no, I am not doing that way. My class is systematic class, so get the three angles. Okay, now, in the next star sketch, see, I am removing this one here. This full I am removing here. Not empty board. It will be empty board when I come back. There, this sketch, somewhere here, neatly I will write star sketch. Then, this all I will enter. I won't write theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. I will enter the values there. Then, I won't write HA. See, I told you, now make a note. VA we considered upwards. Answer came positive. Correct. So enter VA in the upward direction. How much? 42.877. No sign now. Then write. HA you considered to right side. But on solving, HA came negative. Negative sign indicates that direction considered is wrong. So therefore, the actual reaction at HA, when I put next sketch, not right side, I will mark to left side of, now no minus sign. One side, change the right side to left side, no change of, now sign is not to be used. 50.954 left side. Okay, then HB, I took to right side. Yes, answer came positive. So HB, I will enter plus only. Okay, no, sorry. Not plus, first of all, when I enter reaction, no plus, I will enter 28.260 in the same direction. Then it is ready for method of joint. Maybe for the last time, joint by joint, I may explain today, because I actually not required. This is fourth question. By this time, who are serious, they will tell, sir, actually if it is an offline class in the classroom, I will put the sketch and walk out. After some 10 or 15 minutes, someone will tell, sir, all joints over, sir. What I will do, I will put the sketch here. In a paper, I will sit in front of them, fast, I can do it. I'll fast calculate, enter the answer. Keep that answer somewhere in the table. I will tell all those who got the answer, go and refer. Usually, there are brilliant students are there. See, around 10 minutes time sufficient for them. See, for entering the answer in the paper, I might have taken only 2 minutes. That is me. Okay, leave it. Around after 10 minutes, someone will come and tell, they will knock the door where I am inside. Sir, all the value I given, we got, sir. Okay, good. But I will tell, wait for some time. There are other people who are little weak. Let them come. I will give little more time. Then I will come back. Later, around more than 80% will get the answer. The 20%, they were wasting their time coming to the class. They will come to one class. They will not come to 3-4 classes. Suddenly they came to a class. I am not bothered about them, such people. Okay, now, therefore, I will start now method of joint. Once this question is over, I will give one exercise question today, question 5, just problem with the answer. But very, very easy. Okay, I will start now method of joints. Now we will start method of joint. You can make a small note here, somewhere right here, wherever you want write. Somewhere here you write. I will tell. Calculation of axial forces in all members by using method of joints. See, I do not want to call it as a force like bending moment. I never call moment. Same way. Actually, people call force in the member force. So, okay, now onwards, every class I cannot tell axial force in a member. Shortcut I will go for member force. If I tell means axial force in a member, make a note. Don't tell. See, later, one class I am uploading where I will tell bending moment is different from moment. Don't call bending moment as moment. 90% people call it. I will tell stop it. But here, when you dictate, every class I can't tell axial force is a member. Okay, therefore, simply member forces. Member force means understood axial force. Okay, start. Write heading here. Need sketch you write. I told. This sketch I already explained. Then, class. This is for your information. Only information. How will start? I told start from a joint not having more than 2 unknowns. I will do one thing now. I will start from B. See, B. See, here. I will show it here. Simultaneously, I will show it here. Fourth note, when I come to joint B, see, I will make red color now. This member is over, this member is over. Then, after B, I will go to A. See, initially you can't go to A because, see, there are 3 unknowns are there. You can't calculate. After you B, now if you see A, one is already known. So, when I come to A, I will get this force and this force. Then, after A, I will go to C. See, initially, there are 4. Oh, no, I can't go to C. See, I have to change it. I have to go to D and then C. See. Okay. No problem. D and then C. I will go to D. See, C you cannot go. D I can go. Why? Only 2 unknowns are there. When I go to D, this member over, this member over. Now I can go to C. See, this is over and this is over. Now, next, after C, I will go that side. Easy, see, simple. I will go to G. When I go to G, this member is over, this member is over. See. Then, lastly, I will go to one joint required. I will go to F. So, this member over. So, which joint we have not gone? We have not gone to joint E. See, first A, first I told, first B, second A, third one is D, fourth is C, next is G, fifth one, sixth one is F. So, E joint we are not gone. E joint we will apply the check. Okay. Remember, after doing some joints here, shifting that side, that provision is there if reactions are calculated. Suppose reactions are not calculated, then you cannot start from A and B. See, if the reactions are not calculated, you cannot consider A and B. You have to start from that side. Then you have to start from G, you have to come this way. This I will tell in subsequent classes when the time comes. Okay, make a note. Now, today I am not interested in writing the answer and then solving. That is, someone will tell every class he writes the answer to show us that he knows so many things. No, today not required. I will solve. When I give exercise question, you see the speed at that time. I will enter the answer there. Now, right now, okay, ready. See, statement. I already told you, order is here. Statement. Consider equilibrium. This statement, equilibrium of joint B. Do one thing, joint B. You do one thing. You first take a photo. See, as it is, take photo 1. Take photo 1. To show when everything is empty, take a photo. Okay, start now. Consider B. See, when you consider B, see here, B joint, pin. I told one horizontal vertical line, light line. This is your B. One force acting this way, 28.260 reaction. Writing is not required. 28.260 kilonewton. Then, two unknown member forces are there. One unknown is here, one unknown is here. Now, this is force in the member B. See, starting, joint is B at the B, PBD. This is P, BA. BA. Now, make a note if you want. You need not solve because last class I told you 2 force principle, 3 force principle, 4 force principle. 3 force principle is applicable here. Why? 3 forces of which 2 are collinear. Therefore, you can put directly answer. You put 28.260. This is 28. See, collinear forces are equal and opposite, 260. And this is 0. I told you, make a note. But still, I will not use it today. You see, you can use it, but today I will not use it. I will tell you it later how I will start using it after some time. Okay, now, assume directions. Deliberately, see, sometimes I have seen people, they assume like this. Laughing stock, how it is possible, see here. Looking only looks so odd. Does not know the concept. See, when you are 100% sure, see, when it is this way, 100% this force is like this. Okay, PBD. Now, this is 0 actually. Okay, here, anything, okay, take like this, whatever you want. Now, apply sigma, one vertical, one horizontal, anything first. Sigma V equal to 0, take upward positive. You get plus PBA, that's all, equal to 0. Over. Then sigma H equal to 0, take right side positive. Minus PBD plus 28.260 equal to 0. Therefore, you will get PBD equal to plus 28.260 kilonewton. Okay, right here. Joint B is completely over. Immediately right here, go back to your star sketch. See, this is your star sketch. I told, this is your star sketch. Star sketch. In the star sketch, which I am actually, some will tell, sir, this you told already so many times. Still one last time. Which joint you considered, put the finger at that joint. Okay, there. See the answer here. PBA we took this way, but answer came 0. 0 means usually, see, this way. Over. PBD we took acting towards the joint, this way. Answer came positive. Yes, correct. Therefore, enter the answer here. in the same direction here. What you enter. Now immediately other side opposite. Answer 28.260 kilonewton. Okay. Joint B over. Now immediately take photo 2. Photo 2. So that photo 2 will tell you how is the entry when the joint B is over. If you have different photos and take Xerox copy of that, you take a hard copy, you take a hard copy of that one, different photos, attach to solution, don't keep in a mobile. See, then you have to search in the photos. What, when you are spending so much, why not spend some 4-5 rupees here? Or in the house, if you got a printout facilities there, take printout, attach. So it will be good, learning point of view, good. Okay, now joint B completely over. Okay, now next. Okay, now next, consider equilibrium of joint. I told A. We decided already A. Put the joint A here. See, joint A. This is your joint A. Okay. A here. Now, see, one vertically upward force of 42.877. First you enter all the known values. See, make a note here. First all known values. One left side force of, these are known values. 50 point, see I am slowly solving, 954 kilonewton. Then this force is 0. Since this is 0, you need not consider. Then two member forces are there. One of them is like this, other is like this. Okay. Now, this force is P for AC. P for AC, other is P for AD. P for AD. Now, there is PAD is an inclined member. If it is inclined member, mark the angle with horizontal. That angle is here. Both are same angle, 48.366 degrees. Green color I will use, 366 degrees. Now, okay, angle cleared. Then direction, see here. This is vertically up. These two are horizontal. If this is vertically up to balance, this should be down. So it is 100% sure it is like this. See, I am taking because I know it. Anyway, I told you earlier, if confusion is there, take whatever you want. Okay, then. Now, this is difficult. See, now you cannot tell. See, this is left side. See, later, if you resolve here, it will come like this. Cos sine. Okay, then. Now, this force, there are two forces here. One is this way, one is this way. Depends on among these two, if the net is left side, that will be right side. If the net of these two is right side, that is left side. I can decide by looking, by observing, I can decide, but you don't decide. When doubt comes, right here, doubt comes. Okay, take whatever you want. Let me see. Take whatever you want. Let us see that way. Assumed. Okay, then. Sigma, which first? See, sigma, be careful. One unknown is horizontal, other is inclined. This also I told you. Inclined you cannot eliminate because inclined comes for both horizontal and vertical. Do not think of elimination of inclined. Horizontally you can eliminate by taking sigma v first. So if there is a one inclined, other horizontal, eliminate horizontal by first taking sigma v equal to 0. If one is inclined, other is vertical, eliminate the vertical by taking sigma h equal to 0. If both are horizontal vertical, directly do it. If both are inclined, then it does not matter. You will get simultaneous equation. Okay, sigma v equal to 0, take upward positive. Start. Unknown first. See, down. Minus PBD sine 48.366 down plus 42.877, that's all, equal to 0. Therefore, your PBD equal to Now take your calculator. Be very careful. Minus plus is there. This is, I told, high school mathematics. Sometimes people, what they will do is in a hurry, they will put minus answer. You should think a little. This minus plus is there. What will happen? So it is 42 point, calculator is not on. 42.877 divided by sine 48.366. Correct. 57.368 plus 57.368 plus will come. 57.368 kilonewton is this answer. Okay, then sigma h equal to 0, take right side positive. Start. Unknown first. Plus PAC, then plus PAD into cos of 48.366, then minus, it is 954, minus 50.954 equal to 0. Now, substitute, which one? What you got? PAD, PBD, PBD, PAC, this is PAD. What is why PBD? It is A. Oh, sorry, okay. See, I told you, only possible mistake for me is ABCD problem. Okay, minus PAD, PAC, okay. PAD, correct, now correct. Okay, what to do? Substitute PAD, see, substitute PAD equal to whatever you got there, plus 57.368 kilonewton, we get PAC. That you should do it. This you don't expect me to show the calculation, therefore PAC plus that one into cos. Don't expect me that calculation. It is not a primary school class. Okay, now make a note. By chance, if you have taken PAD like this, you will have got negative sign there. Substitute negative answer. Okay. Now, 50.954, that is negative becomes positive that side, minus PAD 57.368 into cos of 48.3. I am doing very carefully because I do not want any mistake. This calculator got some problem. That's why I am looking at the display continuously. 48.366 equal to plus 12.840 plus 12 plus came plus 12.840 kilonewton. Okay. Make a note here. Joint A is completely over. Immediately go back here. Hold finger here, joint A. We took PAC and PAD, both of them going away from the joint, and both of them came positive. Therefore, enter in the same direction. See, once you write here, immediately opposite here, PAC, how much? 12.840 kilonewton. Another one is 57.368. 368 kilonewton. 1 minute now. Sometime we don't know. 57.368 into sine 48.366 is 42.877, correct. And 57.368 into cos of how much? 48.366 is 38 point something plus 12.840 is 50.954, correct. Correct, perfect, correct. Okay, over. Now, next, after A, you are going to D. I already told you order how I am going. Join D. See, after some time, these all I will not explain. What I will do is, I will stand here, I will tell, go there, write equilibrium, write the sketch, solve. I will tell, you will get this answer. I will enter here. Somebody will tell at that time, see, those people who come at that time, this person is not solving. He is not fit for teaching. Simply, he is showing the answer. If only answer required, who want to study from him? Useless person, not fit for teaching. Comment will come. Let it come. But those of you who seriously go through everything, they will understand why I am putting that way. Okay, joint, which one? D. Pin. See, it is not possible to satisfy each and everybody. There are always people, whatever good you do, people are there to find bad things or mistakes. First of all, they are wrong. Okay, start. D. See here. One force acting this way. It is a member force. So name it. 28.260 is force at D for dB. PdB is like this. See? I'll show red color here. I'll write PdB. No. Even though it's a red color, but member force, but I will write black. Why? It is already known. PdB. PdB equal to 28.260. To understand, one more thing forgotten. As soon as you enter B, take photo 3. Take photo 3 here. Okay, then 28.260 kilonewton. Then one more force is this way. See this way. It is this way. Force in member DA. Force in member DA, black color because already known, 57.368. Immediately for the inclined member, this angle, 48.366 degrees. 48.366 degrees. And those who want immediately green color, okay, angle, green color, horizontal component this side, cos, vertical component this side, sine, so that no confusion. Okay, then there is remaining two unknowns. One of them is pure horizontal, one of them is pure vertical. We are very happy. One is pure horizontal, one is pure vertical. See, and also there's a joint load of 8 kilonewton there. You should not forget anything. If you forget one force, answer will not tally. Now, direction C, if it is possible. Okay. This is up, this is down. 100%, this is a predominant. See, 57.368 into sine 48. Sine 45 is 0.7. Sine 48 maybe around 0.7275 like that. So around 57 vertical component will be around 35, 40. Around 40 up, 8 down. So guaranteed this is a bigger one. Since the net is upward, 100% this is downward. P, DC. See, I told the logic for you. See, told the logic. If you find difficulty, you take whatever you want. Okay, then horizontally, see here. This is left side. This is right side. 48.360 into cos will give you maybe 3435. If it gives 3435 this way, 28 this way, 35 is bigger, it will be this way. So guaranteed this will be like this. I know it is correct. Okay, one question, 1 minute long. Only for a change, I will take this way. Deliberately wrong direction. I know the answer. Deliberately wrong direction. Okay. To understand, okay. P what? DF. PDF. Okay. Now, sigma V, sigma H, whichever first you do, hardly matters. Okay, we'll do sigma V first. Anything we'll do. Why? It does not matter now. Sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. Minus PDC minus 8 plus 57.368 into sine of 48.366 equal to 0, you will get the value of PDC. See, I am doing slowly to solve this entire frame and give the answer. It may take only 1.5 minutes for me, that's all, or maximum 2 minutes. But it is not the question of how much time it takes for me, how much time you require. So 57.368 into sine of 48.366. 366 is so and so. Then subtract 8. 34.877 plus 34.877. See, in spite of all this calculation, it is possible somewhere this calculator problem, mistake may be there. Then helpless, I have to record once again. Okay, no problem. I hope, that's why I'm doing carefully. Sigma, that's why H equal to 0, right side positive. If I take right side positive, see, minus PDF plus 28.260, then these two are not there. This is minus 57.368 into cos of, space problem is there, I'll put here now, space problem is there, into cos of 48.366 equal to 0. Therefore, you will get the value of PDF. 28.260 minus 57.368 into cos of 48.366. I am doing slowly because this question I decided in front of you. Otherwise, I would have prepared the answer. Minus 9.854. It will become minus 9.854. 854 kilonewton. Okay. Then, make a note here. Immediately go to the joint. See, PDC, this number, we took coming towards the joint this way. Answer came positive, correct. Enter it here. Opposite here. How much? 34.877 kilonewton. And PDF we took coming towards the joint, but answer came negative. Oh, negative means this is wrong. From the joint D, it is going away from the joint. Oh, wrong. Opposite here. Now remember, no minus sign now, 9.854 kilonewton. With this entry, take photo 4. So by the time you finish this one, stage by stage photos. Now I will do one thing. For safer side, I will check the answer here. Which joint you have done? D. Because I can't take chances. Into sine 48.366 upward minus 34.877 equal to 13 point, 57.368 into sine 48.366 equals so much, minus 34.877 equal to 8, correct, horizontally 57.368 into cos 48.366, so much this way, minus 9.854 is 28.2, correct, perfectly correct. This is for my satisfaction because, see, the problem is that calculator. I should first change the calculator. Okay. Now, next we decided after D to go to joint C. Equilibrium of joint C. Okay, now 1 minute. C, I will do one thing. To save the time, see, now, it is taking a lot of time. So I will do one thing now. I will write and then explain. Just to save the time. Start now. Next we have to go to joint C. Take a photo. I forgot actually. Take a photo. Number I forgot now. Number I forgot. Okay, now. You can observe something. Earlier sketch and this sketch, see some difference is there. Writing is different. There's a reason. I'll tell you what is the reason. I already finished recording. C I finished. After finishing C, I went to G, then I went to F. Then I applied the check at E. Check was not tallying. A small error was coming. But that error is very small, but I don't like that error. Then I got a little worried. Why, what is the problem? Then suddenly what happened is I noticed. See, this is 9.985. I had doubt. It was partially rubbed there. Then I checked it. Then this is coming 42.877. Correct, not 877. If it is 9.98, if it is 42.877, this was coming 10.085. 1.1 difference is there. Then suddenly checked it. See, I wrote 12.962 here. Actually, it is not 12.962. See there, it is 12.862. Make a note here. But fortunately, I am not considered joint E. See, when recording was there, up to C, I recorded one stretch. I stopped the recording, restarted. So that recording has no effect now. Second recording, I finished what? C, remaining part I finished. So the remaining part I am doing once again now. What to do? Sometimes it happens. One small writing mistake. Okay, over. Now, consider equilibrium of joint C. See, PCA 12.840. Already known. I entered that. PCD 34.877. Already over. 20 down. One unknown this way, one unknown this way. Since it is down 20, up 34, predominant is up 34. I know it is down. So I will assume like this. This I can't tell. I will assume like this. Okay, start. Sigma V0 minus PCF sine 52.624 plus 34.877 minus 20, 0, you get PCF. Sigma H0 plus PCE plus PCF cos 52.624 minus 12.8400, substitute PCF, whatever you got, you get PCE. Immediately come here. Put the joint here. We took PCF like this. Answer came positive, correct. Opposite here. This is already told so many times now. 18.721. 18.721 kilonewton. And we took PCE to right side. Answer came positive, correct. Right side means going away from the joint, opposite here. 1.476. 476 kilonewton. Okay. Next, over. Now, little portion remaining. Consider equilibrium of a joint. After C, we decided G, easy joint. G. Actually, G is very easy joint. Okay, start G. First usual, see, joint G here. Joint G. $14.977 this side. $9.985 vertically up. Then one unknown this way, one more unknown this way. See, since this is upward, I am so sure this is downward component. So I am so sure it is P, which one? GE. If you got doubt, you can take whatever you want. And now both of them, these are right side. Balancing, I require left side. So P, GF. Actually, you make a note. Suppose you understand, okay. Otherwise, take whatever you want. This already I told you. Angle, 57.995 degrees. 995 degrees. If you resolve cos and sine. Okay, start. Sigma V0 first. Why sigma V0? I will not tell. Okay. Plus PGE sine 57.995 plus, sorry, not plus actually, minus, see, it is downward, minus, okay, then plus 9.985 equal to 0, therefore you get the value of PGE. 9.985 divided by, calculator is not on, 9.985 divided by sine 57.995 is plus 11.775. 11.775, 11.775 plus 11.775 kilonewton. Okay. Sigma H0. Take right side positive. Minus PGF. Minus PGF. And then plus PGE. PGE cos 57.995 plus 14.977 equal to 0. Substitute PGE, whatever you got there, plus 11.775 kilonewton, we get PGF equal to, see arrow mark means, then you get 11.775 into cos of 57.995 equal to plus 14.977 plus 21.218 plus 21.218 kilonewton. Okay. Now come here, joint C. See, joint G. Okay, G. You took this member force from the G going away from the joint. Positive came, correct. How much answer? Once you write here, opposite here, 21.218 kilonewton. This member force we took coming to the joint. Answer came plus, so correct. In case you are taken away from the joint, negative would have come. How much? 11.775 kilonewton. Okay, over. Now, make a note here. Take one more photo. Take one more photo. Number I don't know. Maybe photo 5 or photo 6 or photo 7. Whatever is the number. Take one more photo. Now, right here. Only one member pending. You can go to either E or F. We decided to go to F. Okay. Consider equilibrium of joint F. Okay. Put F here. F. One downward load of 12 kilonewton. 12 kilonewton. One force going left side. See, red color. Then one more force going this way. Red color. One more force going this way. Red color I write. But actually black, because why? It is known value for you. This is the joint. Which one? F. P. FD equal to 9.854. PFC 18.721. PFG all black because it's already known for you. 21.218. 218 kilonewton. Only one unknown here, vertical unknown, PFE. PFE. See, I don't know the direction. I'll take this way randomly. Actually, I know it is down. It is down. I know it. It is down. It can't be up because this is 18.721 up. 12 down means net is going to be up. For balancing, you require down. Okay, no problem. Okay, start. This one inclined member is there. Usual problem. 52.624 degrees. 52.624 degrees. If you take cos and sine, you write. Start. Sigma V0. See, only one unknown. Vertical. Don't make sigma V H0. Sigma V0. Upward positive. Plus PGE. Not PGE. PFE. Plus PFE, then minus 12, these two are not there, plus 18.721 sine 52.624 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PFE. Sine 52.624 minus 12. 2.877 minus negative minus 2.877 kilonewton. Okay. Immediately go back here. You took force this way. Negative came, reverse it. See, reverse. What you took here, negative came. 2.877 kilonewton. Make a note here if you want. Make a note. We considered sigma V0, we got the answer. That's all. Sigma H is not required. Suppose you apply sigma H, no unknown will come, you get the answer. If you apply sigma H here, see what you get. You write yourself. Plus 20, you should write, plus 21.218 minus 9.854 minus 18.721 into cos of 52.624. 0.0004. Oh, 0.00045. 0. Okay, correct. Now, everything is over. Now write. Lastly, you make a note here. You should write, joint is not required. See here only. One joint you are not gone. Which one? E joint we are not gone. So, you apply the check at E. Okay, check. Calculate lastly at the joint E, just for checking purpose. Find sigma V and sigma H. Calculate and calculate. Okay. I will dictate now, you write. Sigma V here only. Minus 12, I am not cheating, I am really doing it. Otherwise sometime I will do this way. No. I am really doing it. Minus, even I have to check also. 12.862 plus 2.877 plus 11.775 into sine of 57.995 equal to 0.0002. 0.0002 means 0. Sigma H minus 1.476 plus 7.717 minus 11.775 into cos of 57.995. 0.0003. Oh, 0.0003. You are also 0. Perfectly tally. Over. Now, last step you do yourself only. Member, force, nature. Already I told earlier. Make a tabulation. BA, AC, etc. First write all outer member, inner member, 0. Write the values here. No sign. Tension, tension, compression, tension, tension, compression. That you enter. Already explained. Okay. Now, this question number. What is the question number? 5, I think. I'll check it. Question 5 is completely over. I once again solved systematically. Now I'll do one thing. I'll clean the full board and one question I'll give you. Question 6, which is full exercise. Fully exercise. I will write the question here and answer here. But when I give the answer, I will not show my speed. I don't have to impress anybody. Very high speed means I will finish in 1 minute. That's a question. Easy question. But what I will do is, I think 1 minute also not required, I think. But when I give the answer, I will keep on murmuring what I am doing. So that slowly I will do it. Slowly means maximum 2 minutes, that's all. 2 or 2.5 minutes. So that those who are interested, they can listen and see what I have done. Others do one thing. Don't try competition with me. You tell, he can do fast. We will do systematically. You go your own way. Okay. I'll clean the board and get it done. Okay. Now, question 6. I will tell 100% exercise. You show your talent here. I won't tell, I will show my talent. Okay. I will put the question here. One hinge, same way, arrangement is same. One thing I will do, I will take some number so that decimals are avoided. That I can do. Otherwise, it is very boring to write that 20 point something, 30 point something, etc. on minute here. Little big sketch required. I write question here. Okay. Exercise question here. Okay. Then a big sketch there. Height is, I'll take 4 meter, right? 3 meter. This way 4 meter. Okay. So that angle will come easier. This is 3, this is 4. 4. Okay. Not to scale. 4. Here, last time it was like this. Now it is like this. Change. Okay. One hinge, one roller. See, compare last time question, very easy question. A, B, name also same. C, one load here. C, one more load here. D, E, one load here. E, F, and G. See, no horizontal load. Sometimes people will tell, sir, no horizontal reaction. No. Even if horizontal load is not there, horizontal reaction is there. So I will give all the load distance height. I will give height of 3 meter and distances of 4 meter. So that, see now, advantage for you. Advantage for you is that, what is the advantage? This angle equal this angle equal to this angle. Okay. But I will do one thing now. I will give loads or I will do one thing. Why everywhere loads? I will put the load only somewhere sufficient. Okay. Okay. This much sufficient. One load here. Okay. Sufficient. Not too much load. Limited loads. Okay. Still better. Okay. F. But I have to do one thing now. Because decimals to avoid, I will give loads 9 into 4 by 3. Multiple of 9s. 9 kilonewton. Then 18 kilonewton. I'll give 36 kilonewton. So that advantage for me, what? See, 36 is multiple of 9. 3 will into 3. 1 3 will cancel when I use this 3. Other 3 will useful for me when I go for sine and cos. You don't bother. Okay, now, this is a question. That's all. Directly answer. Answer. See. Direct answer, nothing else. No hint, nothing. This all I am writing slowly because I should a little out of scale. Okay, don't bother about scale. Angle also I will not give. Okay. Hinge support. Roller support. A, B, this is load is here. How much load? 36 kilonewton. This is for my benefit. See, just to avoid the decimals. D, no load. Here one load is there. 18 kilonewton. Here no load. E, this is F. Load is how much? 9 kilonewton. 9 kilonewton. Okay, distances you write everything. I will directly put angle, you remember. Anyway, I will tell you the angle. All angles will be 36.87 degrees. Because it is tan inverse of 3 by 4. I know that angle. 36.87. It is a very popular angle. Shift tan inverse 3 divided by 4. That is why it's okay, leave it. Now, direct answer. First define reactions. HB. HB will come and then this is VA. Your HA will come like this. So do one thing, you are not knowing, first to take HA like this, HA will come negative, that's why this way. Remember, this is a final answer, this is a star sketch. See, this is the star sketch. That means in between, you write the reaction here. See, HA right side, VA upward, HB right side, take moment, etc. Do it. So therefore, if I take moment, it is 36 into 4 plus 9 into 4, 12 plus 18 into 8 divided by 3. 132 kilometer HB. 132 kilonewton is HB. HA will come negative 132 kilonewton. VA will come 36 plus 9 plus 18 is 63 kilonewton. See, and I take moment about this point. You should do it. I'll check once again. Correct actually. 36 into 4 plus 9 into 12 plus 18 into 8 divided by 3. 132, 36 plus 18 plus 9 is 63 kilometers. See, now easiest joint is joint A. Why? Because this force equal to this force equal to this force. But I will do one thing. Joint A, I will come last. I will start from that side. Deliberately, I will skip joint A, checking purpose. Okay. I will tell you, I will do at F. After F, you get these two. I will come to, this point is what? F. Sorry, this is not F. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is E, F. This is F. This is G. Okay. I will start from G. I will get in these two members. Then I will come to F. Then I will go to E. Then I will come to D. Then I will come to C. Then I will come to B. That's all. I will not go to A. See, A, since it is 63 up, this should come 63 down, left 132, right, it will come. Okay, start. Now, I will murmur something. 9 down, so 9 divided by sine theta will give you 15 kN. That's all. See, 15 kN. 15 into cos theta will give this component, 12 kN. Over. Come here. 15 down, 15 into 0.6 down plus another 18. The net is 27 up. Y means balancing. Then 15 this way is 15 into 0.8 component is 12 this way. I will go to E joint, 27 down. 27 divided by 0.6 sin theta. 27 divided by 0.6 is 45 up. 45 into 0.8 is that component, 36, plus another 12 is there, 48 left side. 48 kilonewton. Here, 45 down. 45 down into 0.6, you vertically down, that should be upward, 27. 27 up. Then 45 into cos theta plus 12 will give this component, 48. Oh, okay. 48. 48 kilometer. I'll come here. If I come here, 27 down, 36 down. 27 plus 36, both are down. Its sine component is this one. Divided by 0.6 sine. 105 up. 105 up. 105, its horizontal component, 0.8 is 84, plus another 48, 132 left. What I told? And, okay. Now, if I come here, 105 down, 105 down into 0.6, 63 up, over. 63 up, see, tally it. If I do horizontal check, 105 into 0.8 plus 48 is 132 right side. Okay, done. This much time I took, see, around 2 minutes. Why? Because I was murmuring something. Otherwise, I don't have to murmur. See, I will do. that way. Okay, you don't try those things. You try that one only when you reach that level. Now solve this question systematically and get the answer. Okay, thank you.